Hi, I am Knowledge. I am going to make Iceland speak backwards. I made you speak backwards. Því get ég alla til að tala aftur á bak.
What's that, Iceland? I don't understand what you were saying. Who made you speak backwards? Let me guess, it was Nælesi. Nælesi,
What?
did you make Iceland speak backwards?
Yes, I did reverse Iceland's voice.
You shouldn't do that. Reverse Iceland's voice.
Oh good, my voice is finally back to normal.
Yes, I asked Nælesi to reverse your voice.
Við erum saman, Danmörk. Nælesi lét mig tala aftur á bak, svo breytti hún röddinni minni, nú tala ég áfram.
Du har det fint nu, Island. Jeg er her med dig.